If there's any issue that's most important, you cannot have a successful city. Hands down, you cannot have a successful city without successful schools. It just can't happen. The future of your city is in jeopardy. So this is one of those critical issues where we need your thoughtful comments. And we are recording those comments. And we have a whole bunch of folks that's going to be working on aggregating this data that's going to we're going to use to inform the decisions made that's going to be happening in our school system. There is not a person here that should be putting up their hand and saying, I'm satisfied with Newark schools. We are underperforming dramatically. That doesn't say we don't have great schools doing great things. But in general, if you are a student in Newark, New Jersey, you are going to a school that's not serving your genius. And we have to do something about that, or our city will never thrive, will never be successful. So thank you very much for being here. Please, no idea is too off the wall, no thought will be ignored. We really want your input and your insights. They help me in my administration as mayor, but more importantly, the next superintendent and those trying to make change. If that's the next superintendent, tell them we want them to come and hurry up. We really do need your leadership. Leadership starts from the grassroots, and we all know that. So thank you.